A for
apple,
B for
bird,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
us,
grapes.
grape,
H for
us,
I for
us,
J for
juice,
K for
cat,
L for
lion,
M for
mango,
N for
nest,
O for
orange,
P for
parrot,
Q for
cat,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sheep,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
V for
tiger,
V for
ruler,
V for
ruler,
violin.
bowling,
W for
bus,
X for
chimpanzee,
X for
chimpanzee,
X for
chimpanzee, kindergarten,
Christmas tree. Y for Y for
debut,
Z for
debut, debut,